Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you our cleaning routine. Now we had a get together the previous night and that's why the kitchen is so messy and the hall is messy. Now usually I do have help, Sushila, but then she's not doing too well, so this was all on me and Deepak, and I had a ton of vessels to wash. So usually before I'm going to wash vessels, I like diluting the dishwasher in some water and then adding lime juice. I do this especially if non-veg was used the previous day, because I do not like the smell of non-veg on plate, and lime will completely remove it. So once I do this, I start tackling the vessels and start washing all the vessels. Now, as much as it is a little bit tedious, I really enjoy washing vessels. It's very therapeutic for me, and I have a weird flex that I'm the best vessel washer in the world. Like, you give me any old pan, anything old, and I will make it as new as possible. So here I'm just washing the vessels, and while I'm washing the vessels, Deepak is doing other stuff. Um, and yeah, so first going to tackle the vessels and finish with the vessels and then do everything else. Now usually this doesn't take me much time. I can do it quickly and I can do it all alone, but because I'm in my third trimester, I do need some time to rest in between. And here Deepak just wanted some tea, so I just made him some tea. And yeah, just watch us clean our house. Now, while I'm tackling the kitchen, Deepak usually does the hall and the other rooms. Our rooms are pretty much always neat, but the hall needed some help, especially because we were also removing our Christmas decoration. Now, one thing that I would love to say is that when you are married and you are living together in a house, you are a team. You help each other. It is not just one person's responsibility to keep the house clean. And that is something that Deepak actually taught me. And he always says that, men have the idea of head of the house really messed up, because people think that head of the house means you just provide financial aid. And he always says that if you are the head of the house, you take care of the family and the house. So till date, I've never had the need to nag him about something or ask him to do something. Whenever he sees that something is not right or something is not clean, he just does it himself. And I think that's the reason we've been able to maintain our house the way it is. So always remember that if you are a married couple, you are a team. It is both your responsibility to take care of the house, to maintain the house and keep it clean. And it shouldn't be dumped on just one person. And that is exactly why our house is able to look and be the way it is most of the time. Deepak is actually a very good cleaner. He cleans really well. It's not like he just does basic stuff. He really does all the deep cleaning. Like, you can see, he loves wiping the sofa and all of that. And he does it with a lot of love. And he does not ever get irritated, or he doesn't nag me about doing this stuff. He just does it because it's his home and he also has to take care of it. Now, one thing that I just cannot stand, absolutely cannot tolerate, is a dirty sink. So I always make sure to take a lot of time to clean it. Now, since pregnancy, I've not been able to put in a lot of effort or concentrate much in the kitchen. But yesterday, while I was cleaning my sink, I realized how dirty it was and how much Sushila is not doing a very good job in cleaning the house. But I just simply use whatever I used for the vessel to clean it with a steel washer, and then I go in really well and wash it. And in fact, washing the sink is one of my most favorite parts. I really enjoy doing it. Once that is washed, I just wipe it off. And to maintain the shine of this stainless steel, I use this Sif spray. I think it is called Sif shine spray or something. It is for stainless steel. You just have to spray it and spread it evenly on your sink and then just rinse it off. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Once I spread it, I just easily rinse it off, and you can see it really provides a lot of shine to your sink. Now of course this is for a stainless steel, but I use this for the slab, I use this for the stove, and it really makes everything very easy and keeps everything shiny. Here I'm just tackling the stove because of all the cooking, it was really dirty. I'm using the same spray, and you can see how easily it takes away everything. It takes away all the burnt marks on the steel side and all of that very easily, and then I'm just going to wipe it away. Now again, just seeing something go from being really messy and dirty to extremely clean, I find it very satisfying. I don't know about you guys, but I really love seeing something go really clean after it's been messy and dirty for a while. And if you do this regularly, it doesn't really take much of your time. For me, I have been really behind all of this since pregnancy because I couldn't tolerate the smell of anything. But now that I'm able to do it and I'm in my last trimester, for some reason I have the energy to do it, and I try my best to do it as much as possible. Now once Deepak is finished with the haul, he also comes back to help me in the kitchen because, like I said before, I could have done all of this alone without much of effort, without taking too much time. But since pregnancy, I feel really heavy right now and I do need a little help. So this is just us cleaning the slab. Like I said, you can use that spray for anything. Like, I'm just using this for the slab and it makes everything really easy. And another thing that I absolutely cannot stand is dirty kitchen slab. I can't stand water, I can't stand stains. I don't know, it really bothers me a lot. That's why even when I'm cooking, I'm constantly wiping the slab. I do not like splatters of water. I don't like leaving stuff on the slab. So here Deepak is just helping me clean this side, and while he was helping me clean the slab, I was still washing some more vessels because there was still a lot of vessels and tiffins that had to be washed. So yeah, this is our cleaning routine. We completely enjoy doing this together. We really have a lot of fun doing it together. And because it is not dumped on one person, and we take turns in doing it, it is fun, it is very easy, and it does not feel like a very stressful thing to clean. Cleaning should not feel very stressful. It should in fact be very therapeutic, and that's how Deepak and I like it. And here he's just wiping and washing the slab and cleaning everything, and in the end I will show you guys the end result. So this is how the kitchen finally looked. This is how it looks most of the times. It's always clean, and we make sure everything is kept in its place and it is not messy at all. And we usually are able to maintain it this way, but on some days when we have get-togethers and there's gatherings, then that time it does definitely become difficult and becomes very messy. And yeah, so this was our cleaning routine, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and bye.